Yes, hello guys. Welcome again to this video. In the previous one, I've shown you what a domain name is all about and the body that registered domain name. In this particular video, I'm going to be telling you what web hosting is all about. Are we together? Web hosting is simply the process of renting or buying a space on the internet where your website is being hosted. Let me use that simple term as an example. Having a space on the website where your website, your personal website, your business website, what is being hosted. That's what we call web hosting. Are we together? You need, for instance, let me use I always like using this example. You want to build a house. The land where your house is going to be is called a hosting when it comes to the internet. Why the building itself is your domain or domain name. So hosting is your own portion on the web, on a server hosted somewhere that enable you to host your website. And we have different kinds or several kinds of web hosting. Every registrar have this kind of plan. Well, what's it called? Every registrar has this kind of hosting plan, kinds of web hosting. I'm going to be starting from number one. Let me say, all right, shared hosting. So that I want to just explain all these terms before going to the practical terms. Are we together? I don't want you to be confusing when you hear share hosting. Oh, I'm going to design a website for you and I'm going to be using a share hosting plan. So that, what are you saying? What is this person talking about? So I'm going to be explaining so that you too will understand. So when you are explaining to your customer, you're talking from what a professional angle. Share hosting plan. You understand? It's a kind of plan where you are having a space. You understand? You are hosting your own website with other people on that particular server. You understand? It's for startup, people that are just starting up. You don't need to buy a bigger plan. So a share hosting plan where another business, another company also can also buy a part in that particular share hosting. That's what we call a share hosting plan. I'm going to, when we are going for practice, I just want to explain these four terminologies or tools before I go practical with us. Are we together? So when you say, oh, I have a shared hosting plan, meaning that you are sharing that space with another company. It's not that you are sharing your website with another person. No. The company that is giving you, for instance, if it is Namecheap or Whocohost that you purchase this share hosting plan from, other companies also can have the ability to host their own website with Namecheap using that particular hosting plan. We call it what? Shared hosting plan. This is a platform where your own business and other people can be able to host their own business on the same server with a shared hosting plan. Are we together? Number two hosting plan that I want to tell you about is what we call dedicated hosting plan. Like I said, this first one, your own business, your business and other people's business can be using this platform together. Are we together? The second one is what? Dedicated hosting plan. What is dedicated hosting plan? This one is that only one site is hosted on this server because of the kind of files that you're going to be dealing with. All these PP companies, yes, they only use dedicated hosting plan. When you have a dedicated hosting plan, that is to say you have enough traffic coming to your site. The first one, because you don't have much traffic, maybe you only have like 100 people, 200, 1,000 people coming to your site. But when you are using dedicated hosting plan, that is to say that your company is serving tons of data, like the likes of Linda Ikedi. So dedicated hosting plan becomes relevant when you are now dealing with a larger data. You understand? When your company has migrated from the kindergarten level, maybe startup level. You are now, all the people who are planning to be coming to, all the people who are expecting to be visiting your website, thousands and above. You understand? Millions and above. People are coming there on a daily basis, accessing information, and you can't allow your website to go down. You have to go for what? Dedicated hosting plan. I just say Linda Ikeji, the likes of Linda Ikeji. You understand? The likes of maybe Gigi Dem. You understand? These people are using dedicated hosting plan. I'll be together. And another one I want to talk about, which is the last one today, is what? VPS hosting plan. Have you heard about that before? VPN hosting plan. This plan becomes necessary where you use multiple servers to host one site. Where several servers coming together to host just one site. Yes, sir. It's possible. The kind of company that needs this kind of plan are, let me say, number one, Facebook. Facebook.com. Yes, and this is why I want to learn. This website, because of the kind of data they do worldwide, they now have what we call server farm. They have farm in one region or the other. They have a farm serving, it's a farm here, server farm serving a particular region, maybe serving America, another farm serving Africa, another farm serving Asia, another farm. Are we together now? Dedicated hosting coming together to serve one website. That's why I'm giving you an example of Facebook.